Very good evening, friends. In this video again I'm just trying to work with the menus, sub-menus. Some things are there, some things are to be created, some things are to be explained. So this is the menu bar, created file menu bar dot, this I removed. Now what it is, file menu bar dot add menus, then I added one menu's name is file. Then I created one IMP menu which is Q menu, and this is going to act as a sub menu. Now IMP act is Q action import mail self, and then IMP menu dot add action imp act. So imp menu imp act, and then I added imp menu dot add action impact. So imp act is added to imp menu. Now I created a new act with the Q action and rest. So now just let's see again. I'll come back to the code, just see how it works. So Q bar has no attribute add menus, so this not should be menus, this should be menu. So menu bar dot add menu, and then I added, so this file is added. Now see, and this have got the two sub menus. So one is new, just look at this. So I'm just pressing the Control Q button and now see it works. So just watch the next video, subscribe to our channel, keep on learning. Thank you very much.